it is. Here we go. We are required weekly test.
This is a test of the National Weather Service NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning Alarm System in cooperation with the Emergency Alert System. Tests of this alarm system are conducted every Wednesday at 11 a.m. and at 7 p.m. If there is a severe weather threat, the tests are postponed until the next available good weather day.
11 a.m. and 7?
Activate for severe weather and
So,
other life-threatening emergency messages for the following forward at our website, www.weather.gov/Des Moines. This concludes our test. We now return to regular programming. Now for the official National Weather Service
there you go.
forecast for Des Moines.
Okay, my weather radio just went off late. It just did its the advisory tone just went off late. Wait, is it actually flashing? Damn. Wait, is it? Hold up, is it actually flashing? Yes, it is. I was actually not expecting it to actually do the advisory tone late. So apparently they're gonna go off again at 7 p.m. So you'll get to see part 2 of the required weekly test. So yeah, that was pretty funny, to be honest. I was not expecting it to do that. Okay, that's it. Okay.
Program.
Okay, so they
10 a.m. conditions for the Des Moines area.
So I think they redid the required weekly test because some of the weather radios did not go off. So I think they redid the test, but then my weather radio just started stroking out for some reason.
Once again at 10 a.m.
There you go.
Here is the hazard